Welcome back to Living Local. The I-74 Mississippi River Bridge project is part of a regional strategy to improve access across the Mississippi River in the Quad Cities. The centerpiece of that project is, of course, the replacement of the I-74 bridge itself. Construction of the new bridge began in 2017 and was expected to take 3.5 years, but our brutal winter and now spring flooding have caused some construction delays. Watching the new bridge go up has been fascinating and hasn't really been much of an inconvenience, but as the city of Bettendorf posted on their Facebook page last week, it's about to get real. And to talk about that, here is the mayor of Moline, Stephanie Acri. We appreciate you so much for being here to give your perspective on this whole construction ordeal.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. So on March 18th, bridge construction caused some changes to traffic patterns in the city. Can you tell us just a little bit about those changes and what's been going on so far?
So in 2013, there was an effort to reduce the timeline of the construction project, which is good for everybody. It saves money and it saves in the duration of the construction. So one of the things that had to happen, though, was shutting off the traffic of the Iowa-bound I-74. And so all that traffic drops down into downtown Moline and then pops back up on the bridge.
Gotcha. And how long is that traffic pattern expected to be in place?
So we're working on an alternative this fall. There's been some construction delays, as you're aware of, and so we want to resolve that part of it this fall. And so I would expect it to last through the summer and into the fall.
Yeah, absolutely. So is this the worst of it, or do you have plans to get
worse? This is the worst of it. It's not going to get worse, but and I recognize that it's frustrating. But if people can tolerate the frustration, the end of it is a wonderful thing.
Yeah, absolutely. There's an end in sight. There's a goal for sure that we're going to try to hit. Now, it's frustrating for drivers, but how is it impacting the city of Moline itself?
So I just want to encourage people to come downtown. You know, we are open for business. Our businesses are running fun promotions to make it worth the community's while to come down. I think you get a free dessert at Bass Street right now. They've got a fun promotion, and so we run into situations when there's a train, but generally the construction congestion isn't too bad.
Yeah, absolutely. I live in Moline and I drive through there every single day, and it hasn't been as bad as I thought it would.
No, I don't think it is.
I think
we all were really worried about all that traffic dropping down, but because they have diverted the pass-through traffic out through alternative routes, it's already reduced the traffic flow by something like 30%, and we expect to see a little bit more reduction. So we'll get through it.
Yeah, absolutely. And as a meteorologist myself, everything gets blamed on the weather, including some of the construction delays so far. So do you think that pushes back the completion date significantly, or was that kind of anticipated all along that there might be some weather-related problems?
You know, I think the expectation was that the timeline had some risk to it. It's a very aggressive timeline, but it's compared to what we had started with, it's nothing compared to 8 years, which is where we started. But the construction companies are working very hard. IDOT is working very hard, and the community is involved. I mean, in Moline, we have dedicated part of our riverfront to help support the contractors to keep that timeline reasonable.
Yeah, absolutely. And fast forwarding now to 2021 or whenever the project is finally finished, what kind of impact is this new bridge going to have on the city of Moline?
You know, we feel so fortunate because it's the rarest of things that we have downtown property coming available for new building. What we're doing right now is making sure that we have everything in place so that the development that occurs there is a good thing for Moline.
Yeah, absolutely. And has the prospect of the new bridge spurred other development in the I-74 corridor itself?
Definitely. So we experienced that on John Deere Road as well. There's a lot of interest in John Deere Road, and it's a beautiful roadway now. It's one of the most highly trafficked areas in the Quad Cities. We expect the same kind of thing off 74 when the construction is complete.
Yeah, nowhere to go but up, for sure.
That's right. We have a very bright future.
Yeah.
And when you have an infrastructure investment like what we're getting with the bridge, it has an economic impact for years after it's completed.
It does. And speaking of economic impact, a lot of buzz also around the rail and the potential of rail service to Moline. Has there been a recent movement on that front?
So I would compare our rail effort to the I-74 bridge effort. One of the reasons that we got the I-74 bridge was that our entire community rallied for it, and we rallied for it for years. It didn't happen overnight. That's the same effort that's going into the train. We, as a community, are working towards that, and it'll be here. I just don't know when.
Well, as the mayor, the leader of Moline, I mean, do these changes, they get you excited for the future?
Oh, yeah. You know, Moline is a wonderful community, and I love it as it is, but thinking about what it will be is a very exciting thing for us.
Absolutely. And while we have you here, what else is going on in the city of Moline that you're proud of and you want to share?
You know, I think it's the way the community has come together to make sure that we have a vision for what it looks like when the property is vacated, when the old 74 bridge comes down. There'll be a lot of community meetings. There'll be a lot of strategic planning to make sure that that plays out the way we want it to be. And I'm really proud of that collaborative work.
Yeah, that's really, really great. And if people are interested in being involved in any kind of that collaborative work, how could they go about doing
So
that?
that's our responsibility at the city, and we partner closely with Renew Moline. We will be marketing those opportunities where we want to draw the public in to make sure that we're getting all the great ideas. And I have to tell you, people have come up with great ideas in addressing the construction congestion. I get probably a suggestion a day, and a lot of those ideas are being implemented.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So make your voice heard.
That's
Absolutely.
right. Yeah, that's right, because you may see something that no one else has. It's just a little too close for us to recognize that as being a potential improvement. So please let us know what you're thinking.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for bringing hope to the end in sight for sure for us. Thank you for being here today. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Alrighty. Well, to stay up to date about all of the changes to the riverfront, visit I-74riverbridge.com. We'll also have more details posted on our website, ourquadcities.com. We're back with more Living Local after this.